Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Nurse, and today we'll be making template number 4 in the larger version. Now template number 4 larger version, you will get 4 different sheets like pages like this. The first page, it's the largest petal size and you have to print out 5. The second one is the second petal size and print out 3 sheets of this paper, 1 of this third page, and just 1 of the last page that has the base and the free center. Kind of want to show you that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut down the middle, and I'm just cutting about halfway. And I'm going to do that to each petal size. And then next I'm going to roll my sides, and what I'm using to roll the sides are just a regular hot glue stick. Just going to curl back the sides in each layer. So once again, this is a stack of 5. This is a stack of 5, and the last one is a stack of 4. And now I'm going to glue them together. Just placing a dab of glue, a line of glue there. I'm going to do that to each petal. Now I'm going to take my base. It's a 5-sided base. I'm going to turn my petal over and just put a line of glue on the left side and place it down. And I do that because I want, as I come around, I want to tuck the last petal underneath the first to give it a nice clean finished look. Second petal, I just put 1 whole strip of glue. Another strip of glue. And as I come to this last petal in this layer, I'm going to lift up my first petal and then place my last one underneath that. And then I'm going to go back underneath that first petal, place a dab of glue, and press it down in place. On the second layer, I'm going to do the same thing. Turn my petal over. Only put glue on the left side. Placing the petal between these two. Now I lift up that first petal, place this last one down. Sometimes you don't need to go back and put glue, like this is laying pretty flat, so I'm not gonna waste any glue on it. And now the last one I only use 4 petals because I find 5 to be a little overcrowding, so I'm gonna use 4. And again, I'm still gonna place it on the left side just in case I need to lift it up. Sometimes you won't need to, because there should be enough space for everybody to fit on this last one. Just in case, like right now, it does need to be lifted up. So I'm placing my last one down and I'm lifting up that first one. Just placing it down in place. And now I'm just going to take my center. This is the free center that comes with the paper flower. You can always purchase a set of 8 different designs. And you can always put this a different color. But this is how it looks. Thank you for watching.